Hi everyone, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is a pick a card reading. So we'll have two groups, pile A and pile B. This is a black terminal, which is pile A, and this is the amethyst that we have here, which is pile B. So you can take a minute and you can pause on the video and decide intuitively which pile you want to pick. Then we can proceed towards the reading. You can also go to the timestamp in case you want to skip and move straight away to your reading. This reading is basically designed for those who are in separation or those who have someone on their mind. What is that person or what is that special someone thinking about you? So let's just dive into your reading. Like I said, we'll start with pile A and then we'll move to pile B. I'm removing pile B because I want to move. I need space to draw out the cards. This is the black tourmaline here for pile A. Pile A we have, I'll just lay the cards first. Pile A we have 5 of wands. I just got sidetracked. There are some oracle decks here and I'm also using some tarot cards. I'm trying to take responsibility for my actions right now. Please know this. Brown, grounding, stability, foundation. Fear, clouds, expect a miracle. I still love you. Talk to your angels very soon. Cancel, clear, delete. Parental care. Let go of fear now. I hope you can see more clearly. So pile A, I think that the person in question or the person who is thinking about you or who has feelings for you, he thinks that you are someone who's always the center of attention because we have the card 5 of wands. You're someone who's always adapting to the situation or the circumstances that are there. Maybe you come across as someone who's always has a go-getter attitude. That is why this is what makes you attractive in the person's eyes. There's also a sexual tension which is there, which is hard for this person to ignore. Other than that, I also feel that there could be a distance between two of you. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, then I think that the person may contact you on account of the feelings that he has, maybe because someone around you is unwell. Those circumstances could force the person to reconnect with you. I just got sidetracked. I think this is possibly for those who are in an on-again, off-again relationship. There are times, or even if you're romancing, or this person thinks that there are times when you have ignored him or he has been completely overlooked. His feelings have not been, you have not reciprocated to his feelings. I am trying to take responsibility for my actions right now. Please note this. Maybe he has done something to unsettle you, or he has done something which has affected you deeply. So he understands that the fault lies with him and he's trying to take responsibility for those actions. So maybe the distance is making him think deeply or making him contemplate. Another card we have here is brown, which says grounding, stability, foundation. It's the earth energy which I'm picking up here because brown is related with the earth. So whatever it is, this connection, he thinks there's a deeper bond and there needs to be a foundation. He views you as someone who is very grounded, who's stable and secure, who has a foundation, and you're moving forward in life, keeping into account that foundation. Fear. Group A, those who pick Group A, I think the person is also fearful of this connection. Maybe there are some hidden fears within him, or there are some issues which he needs to deal with. That is why he is not being able to come forward. He fears rejection as well. I think for some of you this could be also a factor. maybe these fear-based energies are keeping him away from you. I think spiritual cleansing will heal this relationship in case this person, if you want this person to move forward with you, or in case you are interested in forming a deeper connection, because there are negative forces which are definitely affecting this relationship. We have the card Let Go of Fear Now. So both the cards seem to say the same message. This is Archangel Michael which we have here. So Archangel Michael is saying that you should let go of these negative energies or these heavy toxic or ego-based energies. Even sometimes ego also comes in the way. That is why the person is unable to connect with you, or the person is in, even if you are married, so in case that is affecting the relationship, maybe there's a distance because of ego. So all these things need to be worked upon if in case healing has to take place, that and if you want the relationship to progress, that is. Some of you may also be someone who is procrastinating or who is putting it off, or maybe you are not someone who is taking charge of situations. So this could affect the relationship within the family, and the person in question here, he views that side of you. He sees you as that someone who's always dithering, and then finally you'll move ahead and move forward. So he thinks it's pointless creating a fuss, and that is what is affecting your relationship with other people around you. So that is also affecting this relationship. Maybe he thinks that this is a side of you which you need to work on. For some of you, I think maybe work could leave you preoccupied, so that is why there's a distance between the two of you. So you're going to miss each other. And there are going to be overwhelming conversations, no doubt, or maybe the person is thinking about this connection and whatever things you have discussed, and that is leaving him overwhelmed. Very soon, it says you clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So this person needs to decide, he needs to decide very quickly what he wants from the relationship, whether he wants to move forward or whether he wants to put an end to it. Basically, he's thinking of a physical connection also, but he's stopping himself. There's confusion, no doubt, because the Lenormand card here talks about confusion in his mind. The person is also thinking maybe you are confused about the relationship. Again, we have the card cancel, clear, delete. So you need to let go of those thoughts or those negative words which are affecting this relationship. Or this person thinks that you need to do away with it if he wants this relationship to work. I, for some reason, have pulled a card from Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael says, expect a miracle. Like I said, I think the connection could happen, or it could come about on account of somebody's ill health also. So expect a miracle in case someone is unwell around you. The person is thinking definitely that a miracle is going to happen if you seek Archangel Raphael's help. Parental care. He may also think that you need to work with your relationship with the elders, or maybe somebody who is older than you is unwell. So that means that you need to take care of him or be the caregiver. That is also a factor in this relationship. Maybe that is also creating the distance. I still love you. Even whatever the situation you are in, this person is still in love with you. He still has feelings for you, even if there's a distance or whatever. But then this distance may be a physical distance, or there could be incompatibility on account of no words or whatever, but he still has feelings for you. Talk to your angels. That sums up the reading. I mean, it talks about talk to your angels. So if you have anything which is bothering you about this connection or this person, he feels that either of you need to talk to the angels. I'm also picking up that there's a heart chakra which is blocked here, because there are lots of, the color green is coming up in this reading. So either party needs to unblock the heart chakra, work on the heart chakra, and make it open. I mean, leave it open. This person thinks that you are quite closed off towards him. That is, maybe you are not giving him that kind of attention which he desires from you. Maybe you're walking away from the connection. So all these things are this. Whatever it is, this person still loves you and he has strong feelings for you. You or he may be also seeking guidance from his spirit guides and all, because I feel this person is quite spiritual as well, because it's a spiritual connection and the angels are there to guide you. So even then, your spirit animals may be also working for this relationship. I hope, Pile, you liked your reading. I will now move or proceed towards pile B. So let's just assemble these cards and so that I can move to pile B. Give us your feedback in the comment section so that we'll understand where is it, what this person is thinking, or whether this reading resonated with you or not. Pile B, this is the amethyst here. This is the card. These are the cards. I'm going to keep this aside for you. We have the card Six of Swords. I just want you to be happy. Again, even for pile B, I'm also picking up that this person, there may be a physical distance between both of you, or some kind of distance is there which needs to be worked upon. So the person is undecided about how to proceed, but he would want to make a connection with you. He would want to make that move. I think everything will fall in place in the end for pile B. I will make things right between us one day. Even if there's a distance, he wants you to be happy. He wants you, he or she knows that he has to make the things work out. Everything has to work out in the end. We have the card Hummingbird, Sweetness. So maybe there are certain, it's a connection which is deeper. It's a divine connection. Hummingbird is also talking about a spiritual connection which is there. It's bringing in divine guidance and it's making the memories sweet. So maybe the sweetness is because of that. There's also the card Understanding. You do understand, or this person knows that there's a deeper understanding. There's a spiritual awakening in this person which is helping him have hope. Lying was just easier for me than telling you the truth. Maybe in the past this person is thinking about you, that you or he, both of you haven't been honest with each other. So that is why it was easier for him to lie or to mask his feelings. We have the card Author. You have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. Whatever the distance is, maybe it's stirring up a creative aspect in both of you. You could write or pen your thoughts. It's not necessary that you have to be an author in this situation. Maybe you could write creatively. So the person thinks that you are someone whose life is a closed book. Maybe there are lots of pages to turn and it's not unraveled here. There's so much more to you than, it's like hidden. There's something hidden in you which he wants to understand. So maybe you need to express yourself also creatively. Passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. He thinks you need to be more passionate. Even he has to be passionate towards you. Then we have the card, Have you asked your angels for help with this? He thinks that the angels or the spirit world could help you or help this relationship and help it to progress or ascend. So in case unless and until you ask the angels for guidance or for help, they are not going to come forward, because it is all about free will. Maybe you need to understand, or the person needs to understand, that it's free will, which angels will only intervene if you ask them for help, or if you request them, or you make a plea to them. He also thinks that maybe you could change your mind about him or about the relationship, in case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship. Many of you, I think you also want to travel to be with your beloved. That's what I picked up initially, because it's a Six of Swords card and there's a boat here, so he has to set sail to make the relationship work. Stay positive. Archangel Raphael says you need to stay positive if you want the relationship to work. And you should be optimistic about the future. Maybe you should Ask for guidance, even in case any of you are, or you have a situation where you need healing. Archangel Raphael could help you with that. Believe and trust. This person also wants you to believe and trust, because in the process, maybe everything doesn't look rosy right now, but then things will fall into place in the future. Last but not the least, I have the card Birds, which certainly talks about communication. I also feel this card talks about having a family or starting a family of your own. Maybe you or the person is thinking just that the person wants to start a family. Even if he may be undecided right now about how to proceed or how to make the connection, but he will have to adapt, and this person knows that he has to think forward and make that move towards you, as that is what will help the relationship work. Besides, I think, like I said, there's a book here, author card, so I think that there's going to be to and fro communication between you and the person. Maybe written or emails could be exchanged, or messages could be exchanged. He certainly loves you. He is floored by your looks, your character, and all that. You're beautiful inside out. Besides, you know how to make heads turn with your personality. Basically, I think also for pile B, I think maybe you shouldn't be too detached. Maybe sometimes you're coming across as someone who's quite aloof, and you're not trying to reconnect, or you're not interested in the person. So all this may make the person feel that you're disinterested or disinclined, but he knows that whatever it is, there's a future in this relationship. He knows that he's being divinely guided. Some of you may also hear from an ex-flame, because this ex-flame is also thinking about approaching you, but then it's up to you to decide. Ultimately, it's all about free will and free choices that we have. Red, the color red is there, evident in this connection, because I'm picking up a lot of passion. I mean, maybe the person in question here desires physical intimacy with you. There could also be good discussions. He thinks that both of you are at the same wavelength, that is, maybe mentally or quite compatible. I hope, Pile B, you liked your reading. This is what your person thinks of you. Please give us your feedback, like I said, in the comment section. If you would also want to share this video with other friends and acquaintances, you're most welcome to do so. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark, signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.